To preview, click on the preview button. You can see the switch is functioning flawlessly. The text field on the sign up page is also working as anticipated, and everything on the home page looks superb. Now let's download the code. To do this, we need to build the app. That they have created separate component for this. You'll find it under the widget directory as homepage item widget. Scroll down, we can see where the problem arises. I believe we can do without the merging. Let's check. Yep, that does it. We have nearly resolved all the issues, and if any more pop up, you already know how to tackle them. Dhiwise doesn't just convert your design to code, it also offers some awesome features. One of those is API integration. I'm really fond of the code sync feature. Let me demonstrate how straightforward it is to sync the code to your preferred IDE. Ensure you have copied the token. Then return to VS Code. In extension, search for Dhiwise and install the package. You'll see the Dhiwise icon on sidebar. First, let's open a directory where you want to store the code. Next, click on Sync Code. It will ask if you'd like to use the chosen folder for the code. Select Yes. Now you need to paste the token here. It will take a moment to download the code, and voila, we are done. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in another video.